Welcome to Lone Cowboy Adventures, where an ex-bull rider traded in his bull rope and his horse reins for the travels and adventures on a motorcycle. Joined with him is his beautiful Miss Linda. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And as I always say hi to a stranger. You might make somebody's day. Morning, everybody. Bike got a bath the other day. We're gonna ride to work. It's a little foggy, with a little wet outside, but she's gonna get dirty anyway, so might as well. I've got to get some clothes on, get going. I'm running a little behind. Hope y'all are having a good day. I just can't get it together today. Well, we made it to work. My battery's about dead, so that was fun. Well, kind of, sort of. Whew. Get things packed up here, we'll get going. Trading these 2 wheels for 18. Well, everybody, been a while since I've done one of these with you. So we're gonna get hooked up and get going. Going to Tulsa, Glenpool. I've got 2 19,000-pound trailers. My lead trailer is going to have placards on it, so I've got a bunch of railroad tracks to stop at on the way down there. It's a beautiful day. Hope you enjoyed the ride to work with me. A little crazy. Traffic was not bad. So, well, we'll get hooked up and get out of here. I got a bunch of these to stop at today. I think there's, oh, let me think here. 5 sets of tracks, railroad tracks, on the way down that I have to stop at. School buses have to do the same thing. They have to stop, open their door, look and listen, make sure there's not a train coming. Well, I think we're getting out of the city now. Well, we got some flashing lights up here. Let's see what's going on up here. Whoop. Red light. I'm gonna have to turn on the air conditioner today. It's already 63 degrees and we're supposed to hit 80 degrees, I think, up here in this area. It'll probably be 85, 90 degrees down there in Oklahoma. Let's see what we got going on here. Yeah, got a tow truck, rollback. Now, somebody rear-ended somebody. Well, we're just about down here where I need to be. Hopefully I can get in and out of here. Yesterday I ran to Muskogee and had to sit and wait for an hour. Well, a little bit over an hour actually. And that's pretty unusual for a Monday. Well, my day is almost over. I didn't want to bore you with all the turns and the... Really, there wasn't much going on. It's just been a beautiful day. I did have to stop on my way back for about 30 minutes, take my break.
and I got to talk to a gentleman that drives a tank truck. Lives up in, I believe it's Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Real nice guy. Said he's been going to Sturgis every year since 73 or something like that. 1973. My gosh, I was only just a little kid at that time. Well, we're gonna get on into the yard here, and maybe I'll talk to you then. I got a car. Well, they were right on my back bumper. Now they moved over to the right. That's what makes for a long day. Is all of us try to be safe for the motoring public. The motoring public isn't being safe around us. Well, I guess rush hour isn't over. There he goes. He's on a BMW. Yeah, I'd say he's one of the smart ones. But they're wearing tennis shoes. They almost look like house shoes with no socks. That's nuts. I don't get it. I've seen motorcyclists wearing shorts and flip-flops before going down the interstate. I'll be glad to get back in the yard, get done, and jump on my two wheels and head for the house.